Tillette was in court and she joins us 6 View Live.
John and Mallory, a 31-page report by state doctors concludes that Nikko Jenkins is competent to be sentenced in the deaths of 4 people. The report was issued to the judge who will ultimately decide if he is competent. Today, his public offender, Tom Riley, asked for more time to be able to fully explain to Jenkins what is in that report. But when Judge Battalion allowed Jenkins to speak, Jenkins adamantly opposed any more testing or evaluations, claiming that he is competent to go before the 3-judge panel who will determine if he will be sentenced to death. At the end of the hearing, there was also a bizarre exchange between Judge Battalion and Jenkins about not wanting his public defender, Tom Riley, to be his counsel anymore. And then there seemed to be a heated exchange between Jenkins and his public defender when Jenkins yelled out that he had murdered 4 people and needs to be sentenced. His attorney tells me that Jenkins thinks he can raise old issues and file new motions with this 3-judge panel. Riley says he's trying to explain to Jenkins that procedurally this is not how it works. All they will do is determine whether he is going to be sentenced to death. I asked County Attorney Don Klein about the strange exchange between them.
The defendant said in court that he wants to move forward. He understands the purpose of the 3-judge panel. That's about the sentencing process. That's my that's what I heard in the courtroom.
And again, this was just a status hearing. The full-blown competency hearing will be on March 2nd, where Tom Riley will be able to cross-examine the doctors to ask them questions. In the meantime, Jenkins has been transferred to the Douglas County Correctional Facility. With photographer M.H. Danker, I'm Tillette, WOWT 6 News.